How do I need to skill up to be able to build a business to that level? But it all starts in our minds. If we can dream it, we really can do it. A lot of times we get stuck in the weeds and thinking, how? How can I do this? How? But what we really need to be asking ourselves is, who can help me do this? You've heard that saying before, like, how do you eat a whole elephant? And then people will say, one bite at a time. Well, the smarter way to answer that is go get some help. Ask for help. Many times we look at our business and we're like, okay, so I grew it to this point, and now that's such a huge jump for me to grow it to this. But what we have to realize is that we're not going to do that by ourselves. One thing I really realized in my training this last week, there was a speaker up on the stage, and he was talking about how he knew that he could grow a $4 million business by himself. But after that, he kept hitting his head on the ceiling and hitting it and hitting it and hitting it, and he couldn't figure out why he couldn't break through. But when he hired some help, he was easily able to double the business. Now, I want you to think about that. We need to stop asking how, and we need to start asking who can help us.